Here is a simple volume problem. We want to find the volume of solid bounded by this surface, which is an elliptic paraboloid. So here is the graph. So this is going to be a paraboloid like this, and then it's bounded. It's over this rectangular green region. But looking at the givens of the problem from the text, it's very easy to figure out the boundaries for x and y. So it says it's bounded by 3 coordinate planes. Coordinate planes means that x is 0, y 0, and z 0. So it's bounded by these 3 planes. So which means the boundaries for x will be between 0 and 2, and boundaries for y is also between 0 and 2. So that's the boundaries for x and y. This is our rectangular region, which is this green area. And then what is the surface? So looking at this equation, we can see that z, we can rewrite the equation as 16 minus x squared minus 2y squared. So this will be our surface, this pink blue surface. So this, if I do the integral of this surface over the area, 16 minus x squared minus 2y squared over this area, I'll get my volume for the solid. So let's do it with respect to x and y. So if I do, so the boundaries are from 0 to 2 for both of them, for x and y, and 16 minus x squared minus 2y squared. We can do dx, dy. Now we need to do integration with respect to one of them, so we chose to do it with respect to x. Let's do it with respect to x first. So the integral with respect to x of this function is going to be 16x minus the integral of x squared, which is x cubed over 3, and minus, so this is, we treat this as a constant, so that's again 2y squared x. And this expression from evaluated from 0 to 2. So which means we have to plug 2 and then 0 and do the difference. So if you plug 0, everything becomes 0. So basically we need to plug 2. So that integral now becomes integrating from 0 to 2, plugging 2 into x in this expression here. So that will be like 32 minus 2 cubed is 8 over 3, and then this is 4. So basically that's 32 minus 8 over 3 minus 4y squared dy. And then that's another single integral which I'm going to write. So let me put it like this, and then I'll continue from here. So this integral is going to be from, so let me just integrate it, so we don't need integral anymore. So the first one is 32y minus 8 over 3 y minus, and then the integral of this is 4y cubed over 3 from 0 to 2. Again, the same way, if I plug 0, everything becomes 0, right? So that means I just plug 2 and then get my answer. That's 32 times 2 minus 8 over 3 times 2 minus, if I plug 2 here, 2 cubed, that's 8. 8 times 4, 32. So 32 over 3. And then this result is Okay, let's do 64, and this is 16. 48 over 3. 48 over 3 is 16. So that gives me 48. So the result of this, the volume of solid under this surface up to this green area here, this volume is 48.